Hey.
Hola.
Ready?
Oh God, we're gonna film with me. Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Special guest coming on this vlog today. You may have seen him before in previous vlogs. This guy.
Yeah, I made it.
We are going to the Expo at 5. I'll be running in 2 days from now. Victor, however, is running tomorrow. Excited to run tomorrow?
No. Trust that at all.
We got to.
Here in Vegas with this traffic,
Self-driving.
I don't trust that. How do we get in, dude? I'm scared. How do we get in?
We're not the first to do a self-driving car. We won't be the last. We'll be fine.
We could be one of the last.
Okay, so this vlog just turned into a review of Lyft's self-driving car.
But this self-driving car is by Christian.
People are still there and responsible for the car.
Looks like we're doing a roller coaster early today.
Anything you want to say?
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
I can't put that in the vlog.
How are you? Yeah, how are you? You're the perfect to see what this
self-driving
drive.
all
We're
about.
excited.
Right now, while we're on private property, the company does want us to be in control of the vehicle just for liability reasons. But once we get onto Las Vegas Boulevard, and then all lined up and safe, then he'll press a button and then the car will start doing everything basically hands-free and everything.
That is awesome.
We just ask that you don't take any photos or videos while inside the vehicle.
Okay.
Record it or anything, but
Okay.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Okay. We made it to the Expo. We didn't die in the self-driving car. Is actually really cool.
Less exciting than I thought it was going to be.
I thought it was more exciting because that car wasn't able to pick up cars cutting in front. They had to go to manual often. But I guess there's technology in the making. I wouldn't want one.
There was a driver in there, so it was a lie.
It was a self-driving vehicle, but there were 2 drivers. We're ready.
For the South Coast.
Oh, almost. Good job, man. Whoa. With the left. We're getting kicked out now at 6:50. They close at 7. You ready to run tomorrow?
Ask me tomorrow.
Okay. Yes.